Now blue is not in her.
Ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are continuing with this natural wigs, and so we have a wig by the Wig Factory. It is from their spring collection, and the name of the wig is Miss Sarah. So let me pull her out so we can get a good look at her. And the care card. So this is the care card. Do we see that? All right, front, back, side, and this is the back of the care card, and the color is really pretty. What color do we have this in, girl? TT230. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, looks like it does have lace, or maybe it just has a skin top. Okay, let's get into the cap construction. Do we get combs? Okay, we don't get any combs in this wig. Okay, we do get adjustable straps in the back. Let me go ahead on and put that on the first one. Not sure where we're gonna, how that will fit. I'm going to go ahead and I am going to cut off the care card, and let's get a good look at her. Pretty bouncy, like the curls. Okay, yeah, looks like you get a skin top up here. Hope you can see that. Okay, a little bit of an ombre with that number 2 mixed in, but definitely more 30 at the ends. So she's pretty cute. So let me get off this one and get her on, and let's get into this review, girl. So this is the wig on, and I do not want to comb the curls out too much since she is going to be a part of our giveaway. Right away, curls are bouncy. I absolutely love the curls. Now, you don't have to use this part and area in the top. I would not use that. I think that I would just fluff it out and wear it as is. Like I said, I don't really want to comb all the curls out because I want someone to get her and love her and make her their own. So as you can see, you don't need to use that parting area, or you can. And let me just see how that skin top comes. So you do get a track here, and then you get skin top all up in here. So that's not bad. You can kind of do it how you want to, like part it up in here. And if you want more hair on this side or that side, or you could even shift it. Let me see. You can shift it to how you would want to wear it as well. But she's really pretty. I like the color on this one. I was trying to find something for my ladies that like their curly hair but don't want anything that's too long. And maybe wanted a little bit of color, girl. So the bang, like I said, the bang is pretty. I like that. I would fluff that out. Oh yeah. I don't want to mess with it too much. And then you could take a pin if you wanted to and just close it all up if you don't want to use that. So let me give you a 360 so you can see how short it is. So front, obviously. Side definitely moves. The back is nice, not too long. Don't sit on your neck too much. And this side should be the same. So like I said, I think the wig is versatile. You can do a couple things with it. If you are a lady that watch my channel and you like, you know, curly hair, you like blonde hair, this is a nice blonde. You know, 30s are more toned down. This one isn't real brassy like the 27. So I think it makes a cute little wig for the summer. So if you ladies are interested in winning this wig, make sure that you go and look in the description box below. I will have all the contest rules. This wig will be up for about a week. Again, look in the description box below as you see, and on the screen I'll post it. And to see how to enter, 3 ways to enter, always the same when it comes to my channel. Easy, simple. I'm just trying to give it away, and I am just trying to build subscribers and keep you ladies happy. So 3 ways to enter the contest. First, make sure you are a subscriber. Second, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And third, make sure you put enter me into the description box below. Again, maybe this is a wig that you don't necessarily like, but maybe you want to enter the contest because you want to give it away. Maybe you have an aunt or a mom or an auntie or a sister, somebody you want to give this wig to, and you want to enter because of that. Girl, go ahead on, put enter me in the description box below, and you will be entered into a chance to win this wig. The drawing will be pulled. All the information will be down below in the description box. So don't forget to, 1, subscribe to the channel. 2, if you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter is going to be Beauty by Mark. And I know y'all thought I forgot. You thought I forgot. Hey girl, hey, returning subscribers, y'all already know. Hey girl, hey, how you doing? What's going on? Hope things are good for you. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.